In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tail light bulb on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process. It only takes 2 minutes. The best part is we don't need any tools for it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that is the tail light right there. In order to access the bulb, we need to open up the hatch. Now that's the light, and that is where the access port is. Alright, so let's get the cover off. Get a regular key, or if you have a key fob, get the key fob, press that button, get the physical key out. And now we can use the physical key to pry that cover out like that. And once the cover is out, make sure you keep it somewhere safe. And that gray bulb holder, that's the one for the tail light bulb there. So just grab it and twist it left, like 1/8 of a turn. Not a lot, just 1/8 of a turn, twist it left, and the bulb holder comes right out. Now that's the bulb right there. In order to get the bulb out, what we need to do is just press down, twist it left, and out it comes. See how easy that was? Now let's go out there and get the replacement bulb. The replacement bulb type is 2057. Again, that's 2057. And once you get the new bulb, all you have to do is align the pins in the new bulb with the slots in the bulb holder there. Press it down, twist it right. And then we can put the bulb holder back into the light. Make sure it's sitting flush. See how it's sitting flush? Right there. And now just twist it right, 1/8 of a turn, just a little bit. And that's pretty much it. See how easy that was? Now let's put the cover back on. Let's get the back side with those two clips in first. Get that in there. Now all we have to do is just push, push, clip, clip. And that's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? And it only took us about 2 minutes.